What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nail Wednesday. So this video is basically about what I had in my starter kit. So if anybody out there who are interested in doing nails and don't know what to start out with, this is, well, just to give you an idea. So this is the Young Nail monomer. I didn't have the Young Nail. I didn't have that brand because that brand is a bit more expensive. I started out with a more affordable brand. Yes, files as well. Files are very affordable, so try your best as a beginner to get more affordable things, because trust me, product is going to waste and you're not going to get it right away. That's a buffer also. Good to have a buffer, and try to get two different grades of file. My main color for acrylic was white clear and a little slight light pink. These are some sprinklers because I didn't want to buy lots of products. I would mix them with the clear or with the light pink to achieve different colors and different look. These are some stones, glitters. Yes, these are very good just to practice on your nail with rhinestones. This is the cuticle pusher, both in the stick and both in the iron farm. Yes, they both used to do the same thing. I also use, this is a gel top coat. I didn't use gel top coat back then. I used the regular coat, the regular Fichu nail polish coat. Yes, as you can see, this is a mixture of the glitter and the acrylic. So that is what I would do just to prevent myself from spending unnecessary money. This is some affordable stickers as well that you can use on your nail to do different design. Point to note, try not to overspend, because as a beginner you're gonna waste a lot of products. A lot of design won't come out perfect, so it's also important not to buy expensive stuff. It don't make no sense. Just save your money until you reach in like the midway going on to being a pro, then you can invest in buying a more higher quality product. So that is like, that last item was glitter, gold glitter and nail glue. You don't need any specific nail glue as long as the nail glue do it work. So point to note, please, this is very important. Do not go out of your way and try and buy the expensive thing, because when I started up I didn't have Young Nail as I didn't use Young Nail as my monomer. Even this fuzzy brush, I didn't have it. I just put it there just to show you that. And the nail clip, I forgot to put in a nail clip. Yes, but that is also important. So point to note, when embarking on this journey, just try your best to work with your budget. Don't go outside the way, especially if you're starting up and you're starting by yourself. You don't actually go to a school or enroll in a training program to guide you. Just take your time and spend properly.